gonna go look at a puppy. We've been looking online for a while, and we have to get one that's a poodle or mixed with a poodle because of our allergies. And we've been looking on the poodle rescue, and nothing seems to come up that fits our family. They all say only pet, and we already have another dog, or they say no kids. So anyway, we are excited. Are you guys excited?
Yay!
We're gonna check out some that are in the town over by us. Are you excited, Wayne?
I'm excited. There's your mother's cousins.
No, that's Uncle
What
John's.
kind of fences? Mommy, I don't know.
Oh, look, they're in the water.
They're cooling down.
That's funny. I want to video that when we go back by. They're in the swamp. Wayne,
Okay.
look, there's a tractor. He's farming.
It's plowing.
He's farming. Okay, guys. So we got a puppy.
Puppy, say hi. Puppy, say hi.
She doesn't have a name yet, but she's a toy poodle. They call them party poodles because she has the different colors.
She feels like a stuffed animal.
She's so sweet. She reminds me of Angel's personality. Angel was our toy poodle that we had for a long time.
We need to pet her? No. Come here, pet her, pet her.
He just.
Hey, baby. Oh, okay.
Oh my gosh, hold on, I'm gonna take a real picture of her. Hey,
Roxy. Roxy. Hey guys, thank you so much for watching this video, and Roxy really does like you guys so much. And remember, this is our new Floridian Fun dog, and she's going to be in a lot of our videos, so I hope you guys enjoy, and stay tuned for more videos about Roxy. And yeah, bye!